In this video on Exela, I'm basically going to show you my whole outlook, forecasts, predictions, all of that without actually hiding anything. Okay, I'm going to be 100% with you. And let's begin with the whole valuable brief video. So first things first, I'm going to use two confluences. Basically, these are going to be the performance and the structure. Very, very, very simple video so everyone can understand it. Before I get into all the sauce, we have the disclaimer that nothing on the channel constitutes professional or financial advice. And now let's begin with it, okay, without wasting time. Looking at the bottom right corner, we have the performance. This is like what I said at the beginning. We do say that we see a lot of negative numbers. Okay, everything's red. Ideally, okay, at least the yearly should be up, right? And when the yearly is up, which is the highest metric in here, time interval, makes sense that a lot of them are going to be up too. Some of them, right? But in this situation, this is a very, very poor performance. 99.52% down from where we were last year. This time, this just tanked. This is basically just melting. Although today we went up 3%. The next confluence that I'm also going to use is the structure. In this situation, structure is again as bad as the the performance. But how do a lot of people treat this? Okay, might you might be also that person. Okay, you that you're watching this video right now, you also might be that person. But basically, is they're basically counting this as a lottery ticket. Now that's beyond the point, right? We're not like we didn't came here and talk about like lottery tickets. Basically, all just fact to me using my simplest strategy out there in this market, basically. But nonetheless, I'm basically expecting to do something like this. Okay, and this was made in my previous video. Basically expecting to continue and deliver lower. And this is a little bonus because you're this deep into the video. In the previous prediction, I got this correct, right? It's just me trying to brag a little bit, but that's beyond the point. What I'm trying to say right here for that bonus is I'm just going to move this a little bit higher. At least I'm expecting it again to deliver lower. This is going to be at least. So if it comes higher, then I don't really care. But again, we have this low in mind because that's the week, right? But nonetheless, that's my opinion on Exela. Let me know your opinions on it. And if you find any value, just like the video. See you. And share it in some Discord subreddits if you agree with the message.